If I tell you that as a rule of thumb, this room is what, 600 square feet or something, I'm going to charge, say, 10 cents a square foot, 40, whatever. That's not how you price. You take the square footage of the room, how much time it's going to take you to do, and how much you want to charge per hour to do it. It's anywhere from 100 to 200. So you take your hourly rate. This will take me probably about an hour to do. It's pretty clean. It's nylon. It's not heavy foot traffic like outside. Say I'm using a truck mount. It's going to take me an hour to do. So if I'm charging about 150 an hour, because I have driving time and all that, so I have to take that into account. So I charge about $150, right? So you take the 150, you divide that by 600, and that gives you the square footage price, which is what you tell the customer. And what that does, it keeps your profit under check. Because otherwise, if you don't have your profit under check, you're like shooting yourself in the foot. At the end of the year, you're going to wonder, where did all the money go?
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.